Hello friends, Mean here, and today we are going to talk about EC2 instance family. I create one presentation in here, but before we present this information, we have to know where is the EC2 instance family. Let's go to start this information. So guys, after you log in, you can be see on the left side here is the service. Then once you click the service, inside the computer you can be seeing here EC2. Just click the EC2. Once you click the EC2, this is the EC2 dashboard, and the left side below the instance, there you can be see instance new. Just click on that, and again you go to on the right side, you can be see there is a button is launch instance. Just click the launch instance. Once you click the launch instance, here is the Amazon machine image. Last video I told about what is the Amazon machine image and specific type. I already discussed in my previous video. You can be check it my channel page. There is listed on that video and you can be check it. Just we are going to choose one free eligible. Just select. I am going to select this Amazon Linux AMI. Then here is coming the choose the instance type. We are going to discussion to know choose the instance type, specific instance type. You can be see here is stand for the family T, and after the T, and here is the family starting from C. Then again the family is starting from G. Then the family is starting from I. Then what is the difference? Why we use the number of instance family? That will be discussed in this specific presentation. Let's look at. We are going to discuss about that. What is the EC2 instance family? Instance family contain with combine of compute, CPU, GPU, memory, disk, and networking or for specific workload. But you have to know EC2 provide 270 plus instances across the 40 plus type of different workload. For each different workload, you have different instance family that you can be use it. For example, if you are choosing the instance family starting from M, that is for general purpose. What is the general purpose? General purpose stand for good quality of compute. They are contained with the CPU, GPU, memory, disk, storage, and network specification. Means general purpose is good for any application that is reliable for CPU, GPU, memory, disk, and network specification. But when you are using the family of C stand for C4, C5, and C5N, and other is there. That is your compute optimization, that is your CPU optimization. Specific it's for CPU optimization. Just I am going to change it in here. It's CPU optimization, that is compute optimization. CPU, if you looking for high CPU, your program, your workload is looking more CPU, then you can be choose this instance family starting from the C. Okay. Then next one is starting from the instance family is R. What is the R specific? R stand for RAM. RAM is the memory. If you want good quality of memory, if you want number of the cache, that time you have to use R. R stand for RAM and it's specific for memory optimization. This one is memory optimization. If you want more memory, that time you will use the instance family starting from the R. Then last one, not last one. This is the fourth one we are talking. That is I. I stand for storage. I3. Here is storage. I stand for I means input and O means output optimization. This is the storage optimization. If you want more storage, that time you have to choose I3 means I specific family to choose more storage. Okay. Then last one is G. G family. G stands for here GPU. Means if you want to gaming purpose, some game application you are going to build, that time you will be use more graphics. More graphics purpose, you have to use the instance family that starting from the G. So guys, this is a video about the instance family, why we choose different type of instance family for our specific application. You have to know what you are doing. If you are looking to more CPU, that time you use C instance family starting from the C. If you want more RAM specific, then you can be choose the instance family starting from the R. Guys, if you like this video about this instance family, please share this video to your friends who are looking to know about the AWS. And if you have time, please subscribe me for this video. Till then, bye bye.